How to build your own AI model from scratch? Seems impossible, Abi. Yes, from scratch, from zero, real engineering. So now me and Spike is the tech prophet. Oh yeah, they will. Guy, sit down where, come closer. Because this one no be content again. This one na initiation into becoming AI builder. You see, many people believe say open AI, Meta, Google fit build AI, right? But the truth be say even you fit build your own small language model for your inside your laptop. It no go be GPT-4 size, oh, but it go be real LLM. And once you build one, your brain go immediately and permanently switch to the creator side of AI. You see, no more user, no more prompt beggar. They see, you become AI engineer. Bam. Anyways, the 5 things you must build to create LLM from zero, you need only these 5 pillars. Number 1, data. 2, tokenizer. 3, model architecture. 4, training process. 5, inference. Oh, so what do you mean? How it generates text. And that's all. Everything else now packaging. I want to use this opportunity to give shout out to the guys who build PuBeam. You know, we all know the story now. It started from X, but now the product don't dare out, and I encourage churches to buy it. It makes sense, pay for it. It make real good sense. It go nice if una go fit make them offline. I know it will be heavy packaging all the AI what inside. I watched the video of your demo how it works. Good thinking, and I try make sense well. So accolades. So inference, how it generates text. That's all. Everything else now packaging. I tell you. So now let's move on. Let's talk about the first truth. First truth, oh. AI no pass the quality of what he read. It still almost be like garbage in, garbage out. Whatever data where you pass, give am. You know if you wise pass like that. Period. So garbage data in this case will be garbage intelligence. You understand? To build LLMs, if you use public books, Wikipedia dumps, coding data sets, your own documents, even chat logs, even PDFs that you write. You understand? Even your church devotional fit train model. Yes. Meaning Africa fit train African AI voice. I see they wait for the day where we say OpenAI or Meta or Microsoft could come meet me say they will use my voice for pidgin for Nigeria. I go sharp. And they used to talk this thing to put myself out there. If we gather our own data, yes, it is possible. African AI voice. If not tiny experiment, if you get like 10 MB text, if not small LLM, if you get like 1 GB text. If not serious model, you need to get like 100 GB plus upward. If not GPT level, then a terabyte level you dey look at so because now the data size reality and they tell you so. So start small, no rush greatness. You don't hear that before. They'll say don't rush greatness. Start small. Before model feel learn, text must become numbers. That's weird, right? Because neural network no sabi A, B, C, D, you don't know. He only sabi 0, 1, 2, 3. Like I don't talk for my former video about AI when I talk about language model. Tokenizer, they break sentence into tokens, convert tokens to IDs, store vocabulary map. So for example, see I'm on screen, I love AI, go fit become I love AI in an array like that. And this will still be 15, 248, 903. So now AI fit processor. So let me tell you tools that you can use, like real engineering tools, sentence piece, see how they write out, byte pair encoding, BPE, tick token style tokenizer before I bite my mouth. Even OpenAI itself now token math under the hood actually. Now we don't reach the main construction site. Yes. Come closer again. You don't need to invent new architecture. No trial. Just use a decoder only transformer. Now the GPT style be this one. I had to tell you. The components with the inside. Now embedding layer, positional encoding, multi-head self attention. As I talk for my former video, abi? The video before this one. Feed forward network, layer normalization. If you don't know what in layer, we go check the video before this one where I explain these things. They did here. Then output projection. Stack them together like Lego blocks. You know, Lego blocks of intelligence, right? Even 6 layer, he already done the talk small English. You see, so waiting with the frameworks to build with. You fit go code that if you code them using PyTorch, to me personally best for learning, or TensorFlow, or JAX. This one are advanced people zone. People don't enter. We go still enter this thing for my machine learning class. Just 2 people in the class. Who are they teach machine learning since last year? No wahala. So most beginners start with PyTorch and Nano GPT style code base because it's simple and it's very clean. Bye.